Hey guys, this is Luxury Fred and I'm breaking some Lamborghini news for you today. This is the all-new Lamborghini Sian Roadster, and it's a special limited edition hybrid roadster that makes use of their V12 engine. And it's so limited that even if you want one, you can't get it because they're only making 19 units, and all 19 have already been sold. So in this video, I'm going to show you some highlights of the exterior and the interior of this hypercar, along with a little technical video showing the highlights of all the technology that goes into it. So this first Sian is produced in a color called Blue Uranus, and the car is designed through their Lamborghini Centro Stile, which allows the buyers of the car to customize it in any color that they want. Of course, as with any Lamborghini, it's all about the engine. The Sian uses Lamborghini's legendary and visionary V12, except in this case, it's their first use of a super capacitor hybrid solution. And that combined electric and gasoline power gives you 819 horsepower. And the word Sian is an Italian word that in the local Bolognese dialect means flash or lightning. Hey, take a moment and please subscribe to my channel. And you can see some other behind the wheel reviews I've done of other Lamborghinis, including the Urus SUV and the Huracan. And here's a look at the incredible interior of the Sian. Something very cool is the air vents are produced via 3D printing, and they can be customized with the owner's initials. So be sure to check out my other videos that show some of the technical details of this incredible hypercar. The big difference is instead of a lithium iron battery for its electric motor, this uses an innovative super capacitor application, which stores 10 times the power of a lithium ion battery. It's really fascinating. It's kind of super future technology. And it's exciting that Lamborghini is using this today.